After creating your Toyota app account, the first step is email verification. Check your inbox for a 6-digit verification code and enter it in the app to confirm your email address. Next, set up optional biometric authentication for enhanced security. This can include fingerprint or face recognition, making future app access quick and secure. Now it's time to connect your vehicle. Select Add Vehicle in the app and enter your Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN. You can find your VIN on your dashboard, driver's side door, or vehicle registration. Alternatively, you can scan the VIN barcode using your phone's camera. This is often faster and reduces the chance of input errors when entering the long VIN number manually. After connecting your vehicle, choose which services to activate. Remote Connect allows you to start your engine, lock and unlock doors, and control climate settings from your smartphone. Vehicle health reports provide maintenance alerts, diagnostic information, and safety recall notifications. This service helps you stay on top of your vehicle's condition and maintenance needs. Safety Connect includes emergency assistance, automatic collision notification, and stolen vehicle locator services. These features provide peace of mind and enhance safety for you and your family. Review the subscription options available. Basic services are complimentary for your first year. Premium Connect is $8 per month after the trial period, while the full service package with all features is $25 per month. Finally, complete the setup wizard to finalize your registration. Once finished, you'll have full access to your chosen Toyota connected services and can start enjoying the convenience and peace of mind they provide.